Oh, welcome back, guys. Jet Scott here, and today, nothing fancy, but I got some packages in the mail, and they seem to have gone missing. Hang on, it's kind of cold out. Let me enjoy some of this fine coffee that my buddy Steven sent me. From the non-volcanic regions of Guatemala. Tastes fantastic. Thank you, Steven. By the way, I drink coffee like a real man. No sugar. No cream, just black. And you can make whatever joke you want, but I like my coffee strong and dark, like I like my men. God, I said it, damn it. Anyways, so they sent me some stuff. My buddies from Bad Tree Productions, who we actually just got to 1,000 subscribers, which if you guys went and checked them out and helped them reach that goal, thank you very much. And for anybody who's watching this video and doesn't know who Bad Tree Productions are, they're a group of really cool dudes. If you like the vibe we put off, you should really go check them out, because ramp that up by about 10. Just a cool little atmosphere, and I like their videos because it's kind of like just hanging out in the shop with them while they're building their 67 notchback Barracuda and all their other older videos. Just seriously, go check them out. But I came on here earlier when I was drinking my coffee, and I was looking at my dart, and my dart said, "Jed, there's something in me, and you need to pull around the garage and open the trunk." And I'm like, "Well, Dart, why do you want me to pull you around? Why don't I just open the trunk and get the package out?" And the Dart was like, "Because I sound cool, and you haven't started me in a little bit. Except for this morning when you started me and warmed me up. Just so that way we can make this video super easy." And I was like, "Okay, Dart, we'll do that." It also helps when you put the right key in. I flooded her. Oh yeah, we're still up to temperature. Good. This is gonna be a little interesting one-handed. Oh, look at that. We got a hookers and blow. Oh, this is difficult. Bear with me. We'll just cut all this out. That MSD ignition messed with the Dart sound. It used to have a really cool cam lobe, but now it just sounds like don't have the sound it used to. Oh well. No, it's warmed up. Yeah. The Dart's telling me something. Yes? J-Bo's in the well. Okay. No. You got a package in your trunk. Okay. Shut me off. I'm cold. I want to go back to sleep and get that package out of my butt. Okay then. Oh God. Oh God, I can't get it out, Michael.
That's a personal problem.
I can't get it out. She's locked her jaws on my key.
Personal problem.
What are you doing leaving tracks all over the freaking driveway, Michael? Diggo?
That brake won't hold.
Just because you got a big block with a tunnel ram and a freaking short bed Dodge don't mean you need to go leaving marks everywhere.
Well, that tire just won't hold. I ain't messed with the back brakes on it yet.
You're really fucking my mojo today.
Well, get with your mojo. Don't worry about me.
I'm getting with my mojo. Because here we got a package from the guys at Bad Tree Productions. Of course, the trunk got shut. There we go. So, we'll see what they sent us. Or at least what the old Dart says they sent us. This might be kind of difficult one-handed. Yeah, they super packaged it. I didn't see that tape. It's like Invisalign.
They used a jigs box.
They did use a jigs box because they are jigs people. What do we got? What do we got? Oh. Oh. Oh, okay. We got honest to goodness true yard darts for the yard dart. Thank you guys, and thank you Ed for spearheading that. I guess we should go kill each other and play with these, Michael.
No, I'm good.
You're good?
I'm good.
Listen, we can go in the backyard. You could throw these at the car. We're not gonna do that.
No.
I don't want to create more body work.
We'll just put a big old hole in it.
Yeah. We got ourselves a freaking little yard darts. It's kind of nifty.
Yeah, they were even the old school where they're
Oh!
making metal. And
we got cool guy stickers from Bad Tree Productions.
Sweet.
We got a care package. Look at all that. We got cool guy stickers. Wow, it's no wonder those things are freaking outlawed. And we got some Plymouth badges. So if you guys don't go check out Bad Tree Productions, you ain't cool. You guys need to go check them out. So, I mean, you could buy these freaking sweet ass stickers on their Etsy store. And I mean, those are nice stickers. We're going to put some of those on the toolbox. Snake oil. Fucking A. But I think I heard the Duster talking to me earlier, and it was like, I got a bunch of junk in my trunk too, so we should probably figure out what the hell's going on with her. All right, Duster. I need to hear what you got to say to me. Yeah. All right, so key in and neutral. You ever heard something start so damn easy? Of course, she is kind of warmed up too. That's power steering pump, don't worry about that. But she got a nice lope to her now.
Yeah.
I'm getting completely sidetracked from what I'm supposed to be doing, but nobody's heard this thing idle down.
Pretty quiet.
Yeah, we got header mufflers for it. But I don't know, I'm kind of liking the quietness. But we gotta listen, what is the Duster trying to tell us? Okay, something about Blake. What about Blake? His Dart is super cool, or his Duster, yeah. The white interior is badass, and the leaning tower of power is the most badass engine ever designed. Okay. Oh, never mind. My Duster's trying to tell me there's a package in the bag. Okay. But it doesn't mind carrying it because it's, well, yeah, it's my Duster. So, all right, Duster. See that? It doesn't clamp onto my key. It's not as possessive as some A-bodies. Michael, you'll have to help me with this one. It's heavy.
Oh,
yeah? Yeah. Don't mind the heads. We're not getting the heads out. That's ballast. It's heavy for a man with a hurt back. Here you go, Michael. You do the honors. It's like you got a knife and I hand you a screwdriver.
For duct tape.
For duct tape. It's a pretty good screwdriver.
For duct tape.
Well, it's like Christmas for you, isn't it?
Well, it ain't my Christmas, it's yours.
It's actually for the garage. It's for all of us. Yeah. They sent us a little care package. Because that's what Mopar guys do, is we help each other.
Screwdriver's coming apart.
Oh, it's because it's got a Phillips end on it.
See that?
Well, come on, Michael. Daggone, it's like you never took the panties off before.
Shut up.
Uh-oh. We got a dealie. So, hey Jed, hope you can put this stuff to good use. I can't thank you enough for the shout outs. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from all of us at BTP. Remember, we're all in this together. I know, guys. Holy shit.
Wow.
Wow. I think we're pretty well stocked up for a while.
I ain't no shit.
I don't do baseball. Michael, do you do baseball? Oh, it's Kansas City Royals. Okay. I don't go to Dad because Dad's a big Royals fan. Oh, look at that. We got business cards. We're going to put those away so no one steals their information. Wow. I think we're pretty well set on stuff for a minute.
I ain't no kidding.
Daggone. We got plenty of supplies for painting the old Duster. I guess we don't have an excuse anymore.
No.
No more excuses.
They even gave you earplugs.
Where? Oh, right there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, those were butt plugs.
Well, or whatever you want to use them for, but I ain't using it for butt plugs.
Daggone.
Plenty of electrical tape and everything.
Oh, that's the good stuff too. Because Dad started getting the crappy stuff.
Yeah.
Wow.
Plenty of sandpaper.
We got, Jesus. Oh yeah.
Big roll of plastic.
Oh. So if anything in this video, guys, has made you think that you should go check out them, you should definitely go check them out now because, well, yeah. That's freaking cool. We really appreciate it, guys. And not that we, Michael, do not use that to rub your butthole. That is not for cleaning your butthole.
Man.
Sorry.
Took away my good idea.
No, you use this. You use one of the roll-lock discs.
No, that's too much.
No, it depends on how dirty you are.
Maybe the back side of this.
Ooh.
That's kind of soft. It's like the 3 seashell ordeal.
Oh God. Oh, we really appreciate it, guys. And for anybody who's watched this video, please go check out Battery Productions. We don't like accepting gifts, but they kind of held a gun to my head, and the yard darts mainly. I wasn't really expecting all of this. I was expecting, like, you know, some tape and stuff, but was not expecting all of that. Holy crap. Damn. But I really appreciate it, guys, and seriously, go check out Battery Productions at 67 Notchback. Like, honestly, a channel I sit down and watch every chance they get a new video. So go check them out. I hope you enjoyed this little one of, you know, hearing the old yard dart running with its yard darts and hearing the old Duster roar. And look forward to seeing you guys in the next Duster video as we make it road legal. Take it out for a little spin. So as always, guys, take care. See you then. Bye-bye. Say it.
Bye-bye.